When starting a new YouTube channel, it is no secret that the more videos that you upload, the more views you'll get and the more successful your channel will end up being. The issue is though, not a lot of us have the time to spend hours and hours on our videos, as we have full-time work, hobbies, and other responsibilities. What if I told you that you could make a YouTube video with only 1 hour of your time? This very video that you're watching right now only took me 1 hour to make. But how? How did I do this? And how can you do this to make sure you get more and more videos out on your channel and get more views than ever? Firstly, you have to understand that fact, that not every video needs you to spend hours and hours on it perfecting it. And also that not every video has to be perfect. I'm a culprit of this myself, and I'll often spend hours and hours too long working on perfecting a video and the specific edit that I want. But the reality is that when you're starting this new channel and you're trying to grow it beyond 100, 1,000, 10,000 subscribers, this perfectionist mentality can often hold you back. And that in a weird way, publishing videos that aren't the best is probably in your best interests. Now that might sound stupid, and I don't mean publishing terrible videos just to get an upload, but it doesn't have to be perfect is my point. And I think you'll often find that videos that you think are the best on your channel aren't often the ones that perform well or grow your channel. So what am I suggesting that you do here? If you're in that position that I just mentioned, where you have a small channel and you're really struggling to get views, I would really prioritize making quicker videos and more quantity of videos than quality and movies essentially. So try and find any and every way to speed up the way you make content and almost limit yourself to a certain amount of time on that process. So let's start right at the beginning of a video production. Firstly, you want some good video ideas. I'd suggest you start off by subscribing to loads of channels in your niche, making similar kinds of videos. Have a look on their channel to see which videos are performing over their average. And try not overanalyze this video idea research, because our goal here is just to get loads of videos out on your channel and get you noticed. Now onto script writing. This is something that used to take me ages and ages, because I'd try and perfect every little word so I could just say it on camera. Instead of scripting your video entirely like that, just make bullet points. And then when you're recording, like I am now, you can just have a look at them and then start making your point and improvising, instead of robotically staring at the camera and saying your lines. It probably makes your videos a lot more authentic and personal as well. The one part of your script that I'd probably advise not making up on the spot is your intro and your hook. Maybe just think in your head for a few minutes before you record exactly how best you can lead in this video and how best you can grab the viewer's attention straight away. Now onto recording this video. I'd approach it like you're talking to a friend and almost try and do it in one take. Filming this way as well will help you get more of your personality out, and also will probably cut down on the time that you have to edit this video. And that leads me perfectly onto video editing. Due to how you've recorded this video, this will be quicker now because you won't have to cut so much out of it. All you really have to do is cut out the dead air, maybe where you made a few mistakes here and there. Then you can add a few bits of B-roll and spice the video up, maybe add some background music too. And as long as you don't excessively edit, this should take you half an hour at most. If you want to do high-level edits every video, where you put in loads of B-roll, loads of title animations, loads of sound effects, etc., this probably will take you a lot longer. One thing I would say though is don't be overly perfectionist about your editing if you're early in your channel. If you're under 100 subscribers and you're struggling for views here and there anyway, the focus should be on getting videos out and getting those views in. There is also the option to get someone else to do this video editing for you, to completely shave this time off, and also to get you a high quality edit with less of your time invested. And we're actually offering video editing services and thumbnail design services if you want to get this through us. But essentially, try not let this part hold your whole production line up and you getting more videos out. It's okay for videos to not be perfect, especially when you're struggling to get a few views here and there anyway. Now by this point, your video should be pretty much done. The only thing left would be to make a thumbnail and then obviously write your description and everything and get it published. With your thumbnail, this is another thing like video editing that it can take very long to perfect things, but when focusing on just firing the content out, I would say just make it simple but effective designs. So if it's just you talking to camera, maybe just edit you, blur the background a bit and add some text relevant to what you're talking about. Or show a picture of something you're talking about and then a little title. Or once again, you could get this done for you. And if you stick to time throughout all these processes, you should be able to get a decent upload up with only like an hour to make the video, which can be so much more manageable if you're busy all week with work and other responsibilities. So what I want to reiterate is the fact that early on in your content creation journey on YouTube, when you just want to get views in and build your channel up with a great audience, it is much better to have a lower quality upload go up on your channel than it is no upload at all. And early on, you just have to fire content out there. And what I found specifically is that the first 50 videos that I made on YouTube were by far the most important. To find out why and what my first 50 videos looked like, watch this video right here. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button. Peace.